Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of line. Here we go to settings. Then here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you will search about the application of line. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again. If it's not working with you, then we go to Play Store. You'll search about line and then you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.